You got to be hungry. If you don't stay hungry, then what will happen? You will choose easy things in life. When you choose easy things in life, your life will be hard. When you choose easy things in life, your life will be hard. And when you choose hard things in life, your life will be easy. That is the reason we say, when you start your career, first 10 years should be hard. And if first 10 years is hard, the rest of the 60 years you'll be going to enjoy your life and career, both professional and personal. But if you choose easy things, which everybody is doing, then you are having a strategy called point of parity. When you are point of parity, then you are one among others. Then what will happen? You will lie at the bottom of the pyramid, which is very clumsy, highly competitive, and full of people. So if you stay at the bottom of the pyramid, your life will be very, very hard because you have chosen easy life. Had it not been the reason, then every bird would have been an eagle. But eagle is the eagle. Why? Because eagle has chosen difficult life. How come? The king of the bird kingdom is eagle. And why he is the king of the bird kingdom? Because he lives for 70 years. But the moment he becomes 40, he becomes bulky. Feathers become bulky, the talons become, destroyed, the beaks become bent. So what once upon a time is the core competence of this particular bird becomes weakness. So what is the learning out of this? So if you continuously don't harness your abilities, then what will happen? Today you might be young, today you might be strong, today you might be healthy, today you might be wealthy, but the same thing, if you don't service it regularly, harness it regularly, one day it will become a liability for you. So that is the reason, if you choose hard things, your life will be easy. But if you choose easy things, your life will be hard. So what an eagle does? Eagle basically goes to a top cave, sits alone there for 150 days and goes through a metamorphosis process, re-evolution process. What normally in branding and marketing we say, repositioning the brand. The brand has done very well for 40 years. Now the brand has reached the maturity stage, and in maturity stage you have got two options. Either you reposition your lifestyle or brand, or you go down in the product lifecycle ladder and die. So eagle has got two choices. One, change your life, stay there for another 30 years, or die. The eagle chooses the better one, the profitable one, but it is a painful process. He has to stay in the cave alone, away from eagles, because they will kill. Because eagle is the king of the birds kingdom. So they don't prefer anyone to be weak, because the altitude at which they fly, it's not an easy thing. If you are not lighter, if you are not sharper, and if you are not stronger. So the eagle goes through a 150 days painful process. So what he does first, he normally takes out his beak. It is a painful process. He stays without beak for some time there. So after 17 to 18 days, his beak again regrows, because he has repositioned. And then what happens? He uses his beak to break his talons. And then once that is broken, it takes another 30 days to come back. Once that happens, he goes to the feathers and takes one by one. It's a very, very bloody process. And what happens? Bloods are coming out from his body, but he knows if he don't do this, his life will be changed and he will die. Because he is the king of the birds kingdom. He is a point of differentiation. He is not a point of parity with other birds. So that is the reason when storm comes, other birds goes to the nest. But this guy goes beyond the storm and becomes the leader. So if you want to become the top 1% in life, you have to be an eagle. That's the metaphorical role model for all of us. So then he goes through all this process, and after 150 days, he becomes a fresh eagle, the king of the birds kingdom. And then he flies for another 30 years and enjoys the life. So ladies and gentlemen, you have to stay hungry. Because if you don't stay hungry, you lose your charm in life and you die soon. I'll stop there. Wish all of us high honor in our life.